Hi everyone, I'm Abby.
And I'm Emily.
And we are back with another how-to with SBBlooms, where we recreate trending Pinterest pins with our premium silk wedding flowers for rent. This week we took a request from our audience and we chose Brittany's request, and she wanted to see a split ceremony arch featuring our Taylor collection. Here is the inspo right here.
Yes.
And Emily will tell you the rest of the details.
Okay, so Brittany's budget was $800 to $1,000, and we were way under budget at just $670 for this entire install behind us.
Amazing.
Yeah, so we only used one of our Taylor Floral runners, 3 of our Taylor swags, 2 of our Taylor Floral Meadows, and 2 of our Taylor Vaseless centerpieces. And zip ties.
Yeah, and the structure we used is just something we had on hand, but there are pieces on Amazon. We'll link them in our storefront, but just get whatever structure you want.
Yes.
Okay, now let's get into it.
Okay. Here we are starting with a split arch. We are going to attach a runner to my side, and Abby will attach a swag. So the way the runner works is that it has 3 points of contact with the Velcro straps, and you will just attach it to your structure and Velcro it together, and it should securely hold it on there for any structure or anything you may have.
Yeah, and then I'm gonna come in with the swag on the other side. And again, the swag has a cage on the back with suction cups and hooks for you to easily thread any zip ties through and attach it to an arch, but the suction cups are there in case you want to put it on a mirror or something glass or like acrylic, and it'll just suction cup right there. So I'm going to be attaching it to this pole. Okay, so I attached one here. Gonna loop through one swag. Done. I'm gonna put another one. And then I'm gonna attach the second swag to the pole right underneath the first one we put on there. And we're gonna want them to match, like where the bottom of the first one and the top of the second one. And then all of the stems are wire based, so you can fluff, like gently tug the flowers up to get them in the direction that you want them to go in.
So I will attach a swag to the top of this.
Okay, now Meadows and Vaseless.
Yes. So we will each add a meadow to the bottom.
Yeah, the Meadows are one of our newer products, and it will give you that easy on-trend look that you're seeing everywhere on your feed. And it's just like a bunch of flowers blooming out the ground. It sits on this flat foam piece, so you literally just place it like Emily did, and I'm going to do it on my side. Okay, and then we'll add Vaseless centerpieces, which is essentially a mini meadow. It comes on that same foam piece, just a smaller scale. And it's just a really cute and easy centerpiece idea, or it just blends in seamlessly with the meadow and gives you this like ombre'd out look. Is it on the other side? Okay, so we decided to go back in with like the 2 swags at the top of our arch to twist them so that you can have this curved, slightly curved, like fanned towards the center shape. And our stems, because we always say this, but our stems are wire based, so you could just kind of gently bend them out towards the center to give you this look. Okay, and here's the final look.
Yeah,
super easy.
That's it.
Okay, and there you have it, a split ceremony arch featuring our Taylor collection. Brittany, we hope you love how it turned out. I think it was really cute. It was very easy and simple to do, and it took will take maybe under 15 minutes. Like super easy, super quick, but very impactful. Yeah, there's a few ways we do these how-to series. One way, so we post a video each Monday on our YouTube channel. Sometimes we take requests from our audiences, which is what we did today. We took Brittany's request. If you would like to submit your own request, the form is in the description below. Let us know what area you need help with, the collection you're interested in, your budget. Drop it a picture because that is essential to this whole series, and we will pick one to do at a later date. Another way to participate in the how-to series is follow us on Instagram, and sometimes we poll our audience to see what install we should do next. And then sometimes we just show you what we want, which we did a few weeks ago. Maybe that might be some table designs, or we have a new collection or a new product and we just want to do something with those items. But yeah, that's how our how-to series works.
Yes, so if you like this video and you want to see more, be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Follow us on Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok so you can have a say in what we do next.
See y'all next week.
Bye.